Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about Java programming language. So Java is a object-oriented programming language. So in Java, whatever we will write code that will be inside a class. So what is class and what is object and what is the other things I will discuss now and watch this video till the end so that you can understand easily all things. So let's start with the class. A class is a blueprint or a template in object-oriented programming that defines the structure and behavior of objects. It serves as a blueprint for creating instant objects with shared attributes and methods. So class is a blueprint means you can take example as a class uh, for class 5 6 in whatever class you can take, and object you can take as a student in how many student in the class. So student is the object in class and class is a blueprint of the student. So is a template. So now let's go to the object. An object an instance of a class. It represents a real world entity, encapsulate data and behavior related to that entity. Means by creating an object of a class, we can call the methods or access the attributes of the class. So object is an instance of a class. So let's go to the next topic, that is method. A method is a function or subroutine associated with a class or an object. It defines the behavior or action that objects of the class can perform. Means method we will discuss later when we discuss about a particular methods or function. I will discuss there a lot of things. Now just know that a method is a way where we can create where we write the code for once time, and we will just call the method for our as our requirement time. We can call the methods in time whatever we can whenever we can call them our main method, any method. So let's know the law of public. What is public? In the context of access modifier, public is a keyword that denotes visibility. Public members such as method, variable are accessible from outside the class or package. So actually public we use at first in main method, and I will discuss more about public in later. So first of all, we declare here public because we use public. All things I have mentioned here, I will use now, and that's why I have now briefly introducing these things. So understand public. We use public method, and we will declare main method in our program later. So by using public, we can declare main method. So in Java, we have to run the our program. To run the program, we have to use Java our class name. So in class, is there any main method? So that will must public, so that JVM means Java Virtual Machine can see the main method and execute the code, because all the code start from the main method in Java. So main method should public so that JVM can see and execute the code. Static, Static is a keyword used in programming to declare elements, methods, or variable that belongs to a class. We can directly call the static method or attribute using class name. To call the to call or access the attributes of the class, we use dot. We will use that later. First of all, know the some information about this. So void is a keyword used in method declaration to indicate the method does not return any value, because in any method we have to declare the return type. These things also I will discuss later when we discuss about method function. So now just briefly know this answer. Main. So main refers to the main method in Java program. I have already said that all program is execute from the at first main method. It serves as the entry point for the program and executed when the program is run. The main method has a specific signature, a public static void main. Here I have said already. I have discussed public and I have discussed static, void, main. Now let's understand what is string args, this parameter. This is a command line parameter. It is a parameter of the main method in Java. It allows the program accept command line argument as a string. Means when we run the program, we can pass the value during runtime. These things will help us to give the number during runtime. We will discuss later when we run the program. System is a class in Java programming language that provides method access and to standard input, output, and error stream. It is often used to perform basic input output operation. Means when we use we want to print or when we want to take number from the user, then we to use system class methods or attributes. So out is the object of print stream class as well as a static attribute of the system class that I have discussed. System class, it is commonly used with the system out println method to print output the console. That I have said that a system is belongs to input output stream. And println is the method of in print stream class in Java used to print a line of text to the standard output. It automatically adds a new line character after the text by adding by adding ln after the method name. Like this is print method and this is ln for next line. It's making it suitable for displaying the message on the control. So this was the very briefly discussion about Java programming language. And to run or to compile and run to Java programming, we have to install JDK from the Google. Just you will search on JDK on Google, then you will install that, download, install and run. You will search JDK and you will install that JDK in your computer. Then you will set the path. And now we will discuss about code. Let's discuss about how to print a line or message from to the user. Like we have already said that each and every code will be inside the class, and Java is an object oriented language, class based language, so we have to use all the methods or attributes inside the class. To create an class, we have to use this class keyword. Class is a keyword in Java to create a class. And this is the name of this class. We can give any name requirement the program. We should give the class name requirement as our program requirement. So it is very easy to understand what type of program we are going to write. So and the style of the giving class name, that is capitalized. First word letter of the first letter of the word will be capital, like hello, this is H capital letter, and world, this is W capital letter. So in this way we have to keep the give the name of the class. Now let's move on to the, like I have already said that what is public, static, void, main. Public, we have to keep give the public of the main method to the to, so that JVM can see the main method and execute the code. And static, we can just call the main method to run the method. We use static. We don't need to create our object to call the main method. And void, this main method will not return anything, that's why void. And main, this is the name of the main method. And string, that I have said you, this is a string arguments from this, actually this is pass argument, like command line argument, and this is a string array. So now we have written a code for this example, taking a string from the command line at the index of yes string array. So I will discuss later what is array and string or whatever. Just take how it works now. Here I have taken string from the command line, and here we integer taking numbers, integer number. I will just see the code. I will discuss later all things. What is this integer, first, int, all things I will discuss later. Just see the what is the thing. And to display anything, we use system.out.println. To get the to access or to get the out, we use system.out. Like I have said that out is a static attribute, so we can access static attribute by using class name. So class is the system, and out is a attribute. So to get the out system dot out, and we have used also dot, because we have said to access the attribute or call method to use dot. So system dot out, and to call any function, we also have said that we have to use the method to object to call the method. So println is a method in print stream, as well as out is the object of print stream. To call the print method, we use system.out.println. Now, because this is the beginner, that's why I have explained all things. Later I will not say, just system.out.println. Now we have taken here string from command line, and we have taken here integer number from here command line, and just we can pass this our first program, system.out.println hello world. This is a message from the string and print melon. This print melon method can show integer number either or string, both can accept. So let's run this program. To run this program, we have to go at first our path. At first, we have to save this file here. I have already saved this file here, so I don't need to save this again. Just you write this program and save this file in your computer, and open command prompt and go to the particular path where you have saved your program. Now just to compile the your program, just write java c and the file name, and my file name is hello world dot java. .java is an extension of Java file. So now enter. Now we have compiled our program. Now we will run our program. To run the program, we use Java and the class name. Our class name is hello world. Now enter. This thread exception because we did not pass the value during runtime because I have taken number and a string from the command line. So Java and hello world. At first zero index. After writing this name, we have to take space for zero index. Let's say I'm passing my name and one index. Let's say three integer numbers. Now you can see my name is printed and also 3 is also printed and hello world this is printed. So in this way we can pass argument from the command line during runtime. So this is very basic introduction to Java programming. Now we will discuss more things in my next video. So thank you for watching this video, and till then keep practicing and keep explore.